What's this front bumper kit called?
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Beamer Fan. You guys know this inside the M4, and we're riding with a nice G82 M4 coupe that's stage 2 tuned. And we have Finding Nick in his brand new Audi R8 V10, and he just strapped an exhaust on this car, and it sounds absolutely amazing. And right now we're headed to a nice car event. We got about a half-hour drive. Get a chance to enjoy these cars, and then we're going to join up with some more exotic cars and go for a drive tonight. So, oh, he is shooting flames. Listen to the S58 though. Oh my God. Looks really good with those BBS wheels on it. Yeah, that ECU is definitely unlocked on a G82. Sounds really good. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. The fact that he bought this car already has all these mods on it, tuned, exhaust, wheels lowered. That's crazy. Looks like we got a tunnel. That is insane. Before we continue on with today's video, we get to thank the sponsor, which is Simply Carbon Fiber. Simply Carbon Fiber offers real and genuine carbon fiber accessories like this gloss twill traditional carbon fiber phone case. And if you look closely, it has these nice blue painted flakes inside of them. And the level of carbon fiber that they use is absolutely amazing. You see, when we put it up to the factory carbon fiber in my M4, it is a direct match. Not only that, this phone case is full carbon fiber, so it's going to be durable, it's going to be lightweight, and it's going to be heat resistant as well. And the best part is Simply Carbon Fiber offers other real and genuine carbon fiber accessories like watches, sunglasses, AirPod cases, money clips, wallets, and more. So if you guys are interested, use the links in the description and get 25% off everything until February 14th at midnight. And with that being said, let's go ahead and continue on with today's video. This is crazy. I'm sure this Honda Accord is like, what is happening right now? Oh my God. Oh my goodness. That sounds insane. There's also F82 M4 CS right here. Oh my God. This is crazy. These two are literally having an exhaust battle right now. That is insane. Oh my God. Yeah, it's has to be titanium. The way it's radiating is so high pitched. Oh my goodness. That is insane. I know. Oh my goodness! He tried stepping on this M550 and M550 didn't budge because I don't think he wants that problem. Oh my goodness! It's absolutely insane. As you can see, the M4 is parked up looking extremely good. We have more exotics pulling in as well. Bro, look at this Ferrari F12 TDF. Oh my god, the color on that is absolutely amazing. Gotta say, this is one of my all-time favorite Ferraris right here, man. This color on it is absolutely stunning. The spec, got the wheels, the master stripe, yellow calipers, we got Turbo S here as well. Man, you can see the vibe out here. Everybody's just chilling, got music going, eating some food, enjoying some of these cars. Got some Beaver boys pulling in, some nice G8, M3. Got an M4 over here too, and an M340. More cars pulling in, Maserati. Classic orange on a 911 GT3 RS, the first generation. Very nice indeed. So this is indeed Nick's car up close, and it's blacked out. He's got the BBS wheels on it. Really fit a finger in there. Absolutely stunning car. And this is that GT3 we were riding with on the way here. It indeed has a full titanium exhaust as well. But he did gloss black BBS wheels on this side.
Alright, we made it.
Yes, we did. What's good, bro?
Think?
Congratulations.
Thank you, bro.
It's amazing.
No one could decide, bro. They both look good.
Yeah, it's nice. It sounds wild, bro.
It sounds good.
It sounds wild.
You had to, bro. Yeah, we have full catalyst, but a lot of V10s don't usually do that.
Oh, okay.
Because I think, and it's kind of like once you do it, it's hard to go back to stock.
Oh,
it's kind of
okay.
a lengthy process and expensive too.
Damn, okay.
But I wanted to go all out, so I'm a full catalyst and Valtronic rear section.
Oh yeah, you're shooting big flames.
Really?
Too.
Oh, and we tuned it too.
Okay. Oh, boy, fancy. You know the Audi lifestyle. The tints in here are dark. Oh, this is nice though, man. Alright, V10. Engines in the back, obviously. All this carbon fiber down here is nice too. Start the engine up right here on the steering wheel. Very nice, man.
Sick, right?
It's sick.
You gotta drive it for a video.
For sure, I'm done.
Do it. Bro, and this has like the full carbon package, so like all this is carbon, bro.
Oh, that's great.
Everything.
That's amazing.
You like it?
You also check out this Huracan right here. It's kind of like a turquoise kind of blue. You can see it versus my Miami blue. It's like a lighter shade, almost like Tiffany. But nevertheless, it's real nice. It's a nice F80 M3 and F82 M4 Austin yellow, a black one. Great combination. But look at the wheel setup on this Mustang. Those rear tires are crazy illegal. That's a very nice RX-7 right there, and like a yellow, another JDM car over there, S2000. Those two together is real nice. This thing is so nice. Look at the wheels on this thing too. It's got the ghost mount cam. God knows what he's doing on the highway. Oh boy, is missing a headlight. That is crazy. Carbon fiber hood, grille splitter. That's crazy.
So the inside is fairly soft. We didn't really touch it.
Okay. Oh, that is nice.
So the TDF has a smaller window than the regular F12.
Yeah.
So this piece is 3D printed. It's a cover that goes two-piece with the fender, and then we bundle everything together to make it like one piece.
That's crazy. He's sitting here telling me that this isn't actually a TDF, but they converted it into one.
So we had 2 months to turn this from the junkyard car to SEMA. We took it to SEMA 2024.
Wow.
And then 2 months ago, this thing was rotting away in Sacramento, and we bought it.
Wow.
And we had 2 months to build it. So we had this vision. There's this company in China, they're going bankrupt, and then they had this one kit. And we got that one kit, and then we put it on this car.
That's insane. Very cool though. He's got the underglow, the colors in it right. Fully custom made. And the fact that this isn't, you know, a legitimate F12 TDF, and they did all this work to the car. It's RWB Porsche. And quite the livery. I think this is like a martini livery on the car. But always my favorite angle on these things is the rear end looks absolutely incredible. And then we have nice McLaren and like a satin purple right here. We got more G80s, M340s, another nice G80 with red buckets, E92 M3, the M2. This RX-7 is nice too. S2000, all the cars here are pretty nice. We also get a closer look at this M4 that we're riding with on the road. That's an Aventador straight revving over there. But this car is painted in like a dark purple. I actually thought it was the same color as my car at first. It's got the nice wheels, hood, wing, full agile kit as well. GTR R34 V-Spec 2. The delivery on it is very nice with the white wheels, right-hand drive. Wow. That is crazy. So this is a car I've been looking forward to seeing for quite some time now. We actually had a chance to drive with this car on the road back when it looked way different, but this is SVJ. It's fully straight pipes, especially when they got the nice livery on it. The car was also on Gumball 3000 as well, so I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen this car. It looks really cool. This is nice too. I think it's a 765 LT in like almost like a chalk gray. McLaren Senna GTR in the flesh, Inconel exhaust, full gold. I don't even think these are street legal in the US, but this one has UK plates on it too. Full-blown race car. Absolutely stunning car. And you can see kind of a regular Senna right here. Wow. And they got the old school E39 out here clean with the Alpine white. Got the M parallel wheels too. Oh, it's a 540. And a lady driven McLaren looks really nice. The wheels on that is crazy. This shows you what kind of meat this is. Look, E92 M3, red interior, and then old school R32, R33 GTR looks really nice. Look at this S-Class as well. It's got a full kit on it. Splitter, carbon fiber hood, even has like extension flares on the front fenders. Good grief, I've never seen this kit in my life. Wow, diffuser on that, a brake light, that looks really good. Damn, I came across another Miami Blue G80 M3 LCI. This one's painted individual color, that's very nice. As you can see, we're back inside the M4, and everybody and their mama is revving right now. We're just surrounded by exotics. Huracan, 3 McLaren 570s in a row. I mean, this is insane. Damn. Oh my gosh, it's Supra. It's big flames. Hey, what's up?
Bro, what's this front bumper kit called?
3.0 CSL homage.
What is it called?
The CSL homage kit.
Oh yeah, bro. I've seen it like online, but I've never seen it in person.
For sure, for sure.
It's sick though.
Thank you.
For sure, you got a different V8.
For sure. Dude, look at the McLaren Senna GTR. That's insane. London plates too. Hypercars, supercars everywhere. This is like a underground meet, literally. At midnight, at that. Bro, this is insane. Look at all these people. This is absolutely wild. This is LA car culture in a nutshell for you guys.
crazy.
As you can see, the M4 is parked up looking absolutely amazing. You can also see how wide this thing is compared to other cars here. The lighting on this car right now is just looking so good. Obviously, we could do hoods, we could do different modifications to the car, but as it sits right now, I think it looks so sick. And then we also cut out the little camera in between the grills. So now we got the front-facing camera returning on the car. You see all the exotics out here, though. It's absolutely insane. Lambos, McLarens. Just look at all the Porsches over here too. Orange ones, yellow, white. Someone's horns going off. Got an i8 out here too, Panda spec. But then we can also check out this Venador SVJ more up close in person. This car was on Gumball 3000. Looks absolutely sick with this livery on it. The wheels on it, gloss white. Look at the wing too. Stunning car, especially in person. Looks really good. See more G80s out here tonight, like the grills on this one. We have a huge wide assortment of cars, including, you know, TDF replicas. It's got Civics, right? Multiple Civics, GT3s. I mean, the variety is super wide out here, and I love meets like this because it's not just one type of car. You got everything under the sun. It's real cool to see. Nice yellow McLaren over here too. We can kind of see the secondary lot over here, so you can see the main lot is back over there. And we got more G80s, we got Vets. This F82 comp is so clean. It's got the LCI headlights, it's lowered, it's M3, it's got the right wheels. Looks so good. Those cars are aged so well. This is nice too. I haven't seen this hood, full carbon fiber on the LCI G80. Looks really good. I haven't seen this design though. What do you guys think about that? Man, look at the tire setup on this Vet, but it's always nice to see an E63 done up right. This one's got the Weiss Tech. Wow, fully built motor. Damn, we got chromed out tips on this F80 M3. Same diffuser as my F82. So it's definitely nice to be back inside LA car culture once again, especially coming from Michigan, back out to California. It's real nice to experience this. We've been away from it for a while, so we're gonna keep getting more POV drive videos out for you guys coming up here shortly. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram at BeamerFam. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.